You can use emojis in Python with this Python program example. Created by Joseph C. Richardson, github.com. Here are 90 emojis you can use within your Python programs. Please note, these were not easy to create. These emojis can't be copied into a list as easy as ordinary Python lists. If you add any of your own, make sure you don't make any mistakes. Python's undo button and or ctrl+z does not work. You have to keep undoing the mistake or the ones you don't want in the list and emojis you add to the Python list. As I said, these weren't easy to create at all. I think 90 emojis is more than a great start. Don't you? Save the Python file as emojis, and then double-click the Python files icon to see these emojis in color, as shown in the Python program example. Please note, these emojis in the actual Python idle are green and outlined, not colored, as shown in this Python video example. Please copy and paste all 90 emojis in this video's description box to your preferred Python programming app or Python idle. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.